All right, everybody, welcome back. I've gotten some emails from some people to do some easy maintenance items on small two-stroke stuff. So today we are changing a fuel bubble. It's a little push lock, 2 fuel lines, super easy. I'll show you how we do it. Best tool I've found, little radiator hose tool. Pops it out. Nice and easy, right? Now you got one side's going to be long, one side's going to be short. Usually clamp them there, and you got to kind of break these loose. Now you got to remember which side goes on each one, otherwise it's not going to work. And that's it. Literally that easy. You're ready to go back to work.